In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Spotify from this to this. No ads, a completely different look, and about 5 minutes to set up. First, we need to check if the current version of Spotify that we have installed comes from the Microsoft Store or not. Let's go to Start, type Store, and go to Microsoft Store. Here we search Spotify, and if it says Open instead of Get, we have the Microsoft Store version. Now, we need to uninstall that. We search for Settings, click on Settings, we go to Apps, Installed Apps, and here we search Spotify. Here we have Spotify, we go to the three dots, we click on Uninstall. Uninstall again, and it has been uninstalled. Now, we need to get the correct version of Spotify, so we go to our web browser, we search for Spotify, and we click on Windows Download. Here, we have two options, download from the Microsoft Store and download directly from Spotify. We click on the second one, and we click on the exe that has been downloaded. Now, Spotify is installing. Spotify has been installed. Now we log in. We have logged in. We now have the correct version of Spotify, the old boring one. Now, let's make it look cool. Open the web browser again, close the tabs, search for Spicetify. See, it has been already completed. Spicetify app. We are now greeted by this button that says install now. We scroll down, we go to Windows, we have this command that we need to copy and then to paste it into the terminal. You right click on start, go to terminal, wait for the terminal to initialize. To paste, we press Ctrl V, then we press enter. Do you also want to install Spicetify Marketplace? Default is yes. We press enter again. Now Spicetify has been installed. After it has installed, the Spotify will automatically open and we are greeted with this icon that says Marketplace. We go to the Marketplace and now we want to get rid of those pesky ads. We search for ads and we click on adblockify. We press install. Reload now, and now the ads are gone. Now let's make it look cool. We go back to Marketplace, we go to Themes, and we search for Starry Night. We click on Starry Night, we press install once again, reload now, and now we have a Spotify theme. It looks way better than the original. If you do not like the Starry Night theme, you can go to the Marketplace, to Themes, and choose any theme that you like. They are free. Now, if you decided that you want to get rid of the mods, we go back to our web browser, back to Spicetify, and we click uninstallation. Here we have quick uninstall, we copy the commands, we go back to the terminal and paste the commands, press enter, and just like that, Spicetify is gone. You see, we do not have the Marketplace icon anymore. You are now back to the old boring version of Spotify.